it just as normal. So you're focusing on the speed. That's all you're going to focus on. You're kind of going to memorize the speed. Okay? Now, I'm going to do something to Indigo, and this is what you're not going to do. You're not going to pet. And then you're going to hear if the heartbeat has changed at all. Okay?
It slowed down.
It slowed down? So what we're doing is, okay.
And within less than a minute, to me,
Yeah.
it was what I would call normal.
So what we're doing is listening to, hearing evidence of whether what we're doing is making a difference to the cat. And for you to hear it, it's one thing for me to listen to it, but for you to hear it is proof to you that what we've discovered is that the energy from her hands on her head is something that she really enjoys.
With no touching, it was very rapid fire. And the minute your hands went on her head, it started to slow to what I would call a more normal heartbeat.
Yep. Yep.